Inside a Walmart in Florida, a man buys a pair of clippers, walks to customer service, and gets a full refund. Moments later, he returns to the same shelf, takes an identical pair, conceals it in his bag, and heads for the exit, not knowing that officers have been watching the entire sequence on Walmart's cameras.
Show them the receipt.
You don't need the shit.
We already got
Don't
a
need the
receipt.
shit, man. Put it away.
I'm saying we got a receipt.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
I'm saying we got a receipt.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Still 35, we're running. Put these back now!
We bought that.
Put your hands behind your back.
We bought it. I promise we bought it.
41 to 28, where are you going?
I bought this. Look at the receipt.
Oh, 28, Taser for you, one secure. 77.
The receipt. How? If I bought it, I don't need to see the receipt. Yeah.
Yep, we're good, thank you.
Oh, what? Yeah.
Did we take the phones out ourselves?
Yeah.
Hey, so y'all not gonna run the receipt back?
Huh, it's over there.
Y'all not
boy.
gonna run the receipt back?
Chill, dude. We watch you on camera the whole time. Stop.
On camera doing what though?
Stop.
Can you get me up, bro? We good.
No. We're gonna wait.
Bust my lip and all.
You'll be alright.
Bro, I'm trying to stick. Can you
Yeah.
stand me up?
Go ahead and take the thing from the time.
Hell.
Take him to the car.
Yeah, sure.
God damn, y'all f*** me up. Hey, can you tell we bought it? Look at the receipt. Bro, just look at the receipt. No, babe, look at the I'm telling them, listen.
Yeah. There you go.
So have y'all not seen me buy it though?
We saw you take one off the shelf and put it in the bag.
All this other clipper, bro, we could've bought this shit. I already bought them. It's on the fucking receipt.
Oh, the one you returned? Yeah.
Should we,
Just stop. Yeah, we'll do it in there. We'll unhook him in there. We'll unhook him when we get inside, man.
I ain't fair, bro. Like, y'all finna talk to me about this shit. Y'all trying to arrest me for what? Y'all trying to arrest me? Y'all ain't even give me a chance to show you talking about keeping hands behind your back. You're not listening.
I think we just fought with you now.
I was not listening. My thing about it, I'm trying to explain to y'all. Y'all not trying to talk though. Can you tell them that we bought it?
Wait, let it go.
Oh,
Let it
yeah,
go.
that-
Literally, let it go. It's see everything you don't listen.
Oh, yeah. You,
One couple 46, 1013.
I thought it was petty though. I thought we could just bought the shit though. We could just pay for the shit. I already bought the motherfuckers one time.
Alright, so the reason why obviously we're making contact
Yeah.
with you
Talk to me.
is because you literally switched it. You put the one that you purchased or whatever item that you had, you put it on the shelf, got the new one, and returned it. That's fraud return.
Oh no! I was gonna turn. I didn't want them declining me because of the fucking.
But that's
The
not-
fact that I already
understand
opened
it, but that's not how it works. Because now you're using a new item to return it, now it's going back into our inventory.
And we could have had that discussion.
No.
we'll see.
Can y'all loosen this left one up? I can't feel my circulation.
Have y'all ran through yet?
No.
The book, where's that book at?
It's paid for.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
technically not, because she used the return.
Oh, right.
You bought it with a return?
With the return money, yeah.
Thank
What I'm gonna do is return that book for you. Give you that money. Alright.
Wait, she gotta turn the money back in
Can I see
too?
the receipt for that?
I got it right here. It's inside.
No, the receipt.
Oh,
On the phone.
No, you good. You just don't lean back because it's the prongs is in your back.
It's on my phone.
For the clippers.
Yeah.
Oh, we're not running from them. I'm just trying to talk to them and ask them why are they trying to put me in handcuffs.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this return for you and give you this money, okay?
That's the only question I got.
So the reason like I
No,
said,
I'm not mad at you. I'm trying to.
Talking
No, I'm trying to explain to him though. I'm not mad at you. I'm just saying that I was trying to ask a question and they trying to arrest me.
No, they're trying to take you. That's different.
They didn't say the thing. They say you want to arrest his hands behind your back.
Then I accidentally deployed twice.
Yeah, I saw you.
You choose the clippers, the old clippers that you had, yours, the one that you purchased. You still try to walk out with it after you made a return. So that's the reason why we're making contact with you.
Okay.
And they're making contact with you. So it's still that at the end of the day. You see what I'm trying
So
to say?
petty theft. So what I'm trying to know, Mr. Bowers, what I'm trying to explain to you, I heard you under arrest, and I'm trying to explain to y'all the situation.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking that's under arrest though, but I'm trying to explain to you. But I'm trying to.
You still over talking them though. You didn't even give them a chance to listen.
And I understand that. And I'm trying to explain to them though. That's what I'm trying to explain on my mindset, what my head was at. I'm trying to explain to y'all what my head at though. I didn't know that. I'm thinking under arrest for what? My question is for what? Can I explain myself? We gonna talk? And so as I try to explain myself, y'all talking about y'all tackling me.
You could talk to them while you're in here.
I was trying to, but I'm getting tackled. What the f am I getting tackled for? And they're not even telling me what.
You tried to spin out, bro. You on camera.
No, when you grabbed me, after he grabbed me, I said, what the f am I getting, what the f am I getting detained for? What am I getting arrested for?
Well, you didn't. That's telling me that you didn't want to talk to begin with.
How? If I'm asking questions in the process of moving away and I'm asking questions, y'all supposed to talk. If y'all say, hey, we need to bring you over here to talk, I was already walking that way.
They
Somebody grabbed me talking about
out
arresting
the
me.
door, they said, hey, They literally grabbed you.
And I was moving with him, but he tried to put me in handcuffs for what?
Never been in here,
So if we're talking, but if we're finna talk, where am I going to handcuffs for? You get where my mindset at? If we finna talk.
You didn't already get loud with them.
No. Ask him, Mr. Barrows, when he first walked up to me, was I loud? Was I rowdy?
No, but what you did was still wrong.
No, I'm not defending that though.
Yeah, I'm just saying, what you did is still wrong.
Yeah, I'm not defending that at all though, but I'm talking about the part after that though. Can you loosen this stuff up for me, please?
We gonna have any more issues?
Just the right one.
That's we're gonna have any more issues?
No, of course not. No. I told y'all I explained to y'all. I already explained to y'all why. You know what I'm saying? I explained to you. I explained to you I was not trying to resist
Well, I'm
anything.
just waiting for us. We're going to read you Miranda, and then if you want to provide us with a statement, you can. Okay? What are you on probation for?
Huh?
What are you on probation for?
Oh, just driving.
Just driving?
Yes, sir.
Driver license suspended?
No, isn't no way you can loosen this right one up a little bit.
I can put a finger in. You all right?
Try to put your finger on the side, the right side.
I don't need to. See?
2 fingers though. I thought it was 2 fingers.
One.
It's up here, that's what we were doing.
So let me ask you a question though. So it's up to Walmart to file charges on stuff, right?
Yes.
Am I getting file charges on?
Yes.
Is it anyway? Like I'm saying, since they was already paid for it, that we already got the receipt paid for them, and nothing was taken out of here without money being. So they said we just get trespassed.
We got the taser.
Who was it? Who was
Like
it?
it's under his hair.
Who was it? So if I'm talking to you though, anyway, you saying there's no way around it?
Man, you got medical here.
I'm just gonna I'm moving your hair real quick, okay?
I gotta follow policies, you know, just as much as everybody else.
I'm not saying that though, but I'm saying the policy state that you automatically have to file charges.
Because it's over a dollar amount for me, so.
$1?
No, it's over a dollar amount. So I have a certain dollar amount that I could. You
What's
could
the
reach. I can't tell you.
Oh, you know what I'm saying? The charge means it's like $50, $49.
So it's still my barrier that I can. Now if you're under it,
What's
I can
under?
reach it. I can't.
$30?
No, it's less than that.
$20?
Around there.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to touch on your hair. I went through your thread.
Listen though, my thing is, I already paid for them, right?
Yes.
So let's go based off that.
You paid for them, right? You put your old clippers. Yes.
Yeah.
No, wait, listen. So you put your old one on the shelf, right? You grabbed the new one, you took it to the service that did return with the new one, right? That's altering our inventory, basically in the store. It's basically saying that we have it in the store and now we don't because the service that is returning. You grabbed your old ones and try to walk out with them. So we're losing money at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's shrink, that's what it's called.
But my thing is though, if I already paid for them, they just recharge the card for the second one.
Don't worry.
You should have paid for them both.
It's theft at the
to
end
start
of
off
it.
with, correct?
Yeah.
Right?
Y'all
So,
transporting?
Well, not both. I'm only gonna pay for one.
yeah,
Yeah.
you should have paid for the one you walked out of the door.
I didn't even make it out of the store.
Yeah, you did. You was in the parking lot.
Y'all hit me. Y'all tackled me.
I didn't talk to you.
Yeah, they tackled me already.
Yeah.
Got me.
These guys tried to make contact
So
with you to
it's
bring you back to the
based
office.
off all three of y'all.
He's gonna have to go to the ER.
Technically, whoever's pursuing. So
that's
yes.
the ones.
Okay.
I mean,
So
the
is it?
one- It's more than one on his neck. He's gonna have to go to the ER and get that pulled out.
Do I get on the stretcher route these shit from? Oh, do they hook up to one of the stretcher legs? I didn't think it was gonna lead to that. I thought they was gonna tell me that, hey, you gotta go back and pay shit. I thought it was gonna be that simple. Shit.
Tighten the skin up instead.
There's one in my head. I feel something tugging in my head.
Yeah, there's one in your neck. You want me to get that one too?
Yeah, if you can.
Later. Alright, you ready? Yeah.
Damn, have me a patch.
No. They didn't pull
He
no hair out.
got 2 in his
That
back.
shit don't hurt when I pull it out?
He got 2 in
Yeah,
his
yeah, I
back.
thought it was, you got a patch in my head.
Yeah, he got, it's right, it's lower.
That's what I'm trying to explain.
Like right here. Right. Hang on, I'm gonna get this one too.
Yeah, so,
Hang on, hang on.
oh, my bad,
One
go
more,
ahead.
one more.
See, this
Go
was
ahead.
tight. Let me get this cord. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's that one.
What I'm trying to explain to y'all is that, all I'm saying is that this is the determining factor if I gotta go to jail or not. So I'm just trying to figure out its alternatives. So like, what would be?
And this one, there is no, if you had to come back in here, you come to the office.
That's no. See, pause. See, that's the miscommunication there though, because I thought I would be under arrest for something that I didn't even talk over yet. So that's the only reason why these cuffs got put on me though. You get what I'm saying? So that's the only.
All right, thank you.
That was the only miscommunication though, because I'm thinking I'm being under arrest without even having a chance to explain the situation or trying to solve the problem. You know what I'm saying?
If you hadn't taken off.
No, I didn't take. No, I pulled away, and at that point, though, what the? At this point, like, what the? I'm still trying to ask, so what the am I being under arrest for? Talk to me, like, I know it's other alternative routes though. So what I'm hearing is basically if Mr. Barnes and this officer tell you that it was just a miscommunication there, we can figure out a different route.
There is no miscommunication.
No.
You walked into the store. You selected an item off the shelf.
And I'm not. Listen, I'm not.
Hold on. You selected an item off the shelf, and then as you were walking out through the pharmacy to get ready to walk out the door, you put that item in a bag. Fair statement?
Yeah.
And then you passed the last point of sale, right?
And that's what the camera.
That is theft.
Understandable.
Okay.
And how,
So that's why
I didn't. But I'm saying I
guys-
see alternative. I seen alternative routes that it don't always lead to this. You get what I'm saying?
Well, again, when these guys
yeah.
approached you and said, "Hey, listen, we need to talk
And,
about some
and
unpaid
from there,
merchandise."
I was calm and I was ready to. I walked with
Right.
y'all. I gave y'all the bag and I walked.
Let's put our shoe on.
So, Mr. Barnes, what I'm asking you guys, though, so even if I'm explaining to you guys that I was not trying to run away, I'm just trying to ask why am I being
We were
arrested?
detaining you, okay?
I didn't know why. I didn't know why though.
Well, this is where
But
we're
I'm
at.
trying to. But when I was trying to ask you, you started yanking on me tighter. And I'm like, what the?
Pull it away.
Because I'm trying to ask a question. I didn't think I had to be under arrest first, then ask my question. That's all I'm saying though. That's all I'm saying though. I didn't know that.
Well, that's where we're at, okay? You're under arrest for resisting without violence and petty theft. Okay? You're being trespassed for a period. Well, both of you are being trespassed for a period of 2 years. You're not coming on this property in the next 2 years, or you're being placed under arrest for trespass for warning. All right? That means the property all the way out to say Route 19. You can go like the Chili's and stuff like that, but you cannot hang out on this property or in the parking lot.
Mr. Manil, what you just do the starting you the supervisor? So if I'm sitting here explaining to them that I only was trying to ask a question and not trying to resist, then why we can't have that conversation? Why that conversation on the table? If I'm explaining to them that was not my intention. My intention, you gotta understand, I'm coming out of the store and I'm being asked to get in handcuffs. But my question was why? As soon as I asked why, he roughed me up. I'm not even doing nothing. I'm asking a question. He said walk to the. My first statement was walk here. I'm on the verge of walking here. He grabbed me. Talking about you gotta get. And there's two of us now. On the one person getting grabbed, talking about being put in handcuffs.
Well, we're not gonna.
Two people being trespassed.
They're saying that you were detained.
I didn't understand, but as soon as I asked why, it was a
They're
battle.
saying you're detained. You resisted at some point. Okay, and we're not going to have court in here.
No, of course
So
not.
they're saying you resisted without violence by trying to pull away or whatever occurred, and they have evidence that you retail theft. Correct?
Yeah, I'm not denying. What I'm not denying is anything that you're saying.
All right, man. Come on.
I just put last name and then ASY.
The refund is what makes this a theft. Under Florida Statute 812.014, theft requires taking property with intent to deprive. Once the refund cleared, the subject had no lawful claim to any clippers. The pair he took from the shelf belonged to Walmart. When officers moved to detain him, he pulled away, satisfying the two elements of resisting without violence under Section 843,02. The taser deployment holds up under Graham versus Connor. A misdemeanor cuts against heavy force, but active resistance cuts the other way. The 11th Circuit upheld the same type of ECW use in Draper versus Reynolds. 1 deployment, immediate compliance, no follow-up strikes.
Man, you a black brother. You can't help me out and tell them, hey, I didn't resist.
What you resisting?
Not intentionally though, not like this, like I'm trying to get away with that. I'm trying to ask a question.
But you were trying to get away. That's why I tased you.
I'm only trying to get at y'all. Y'all tackling me. That's all I'm trying to stop though. I'm stopping y'all from tackling me though.
You wasn't tackling me.
So you ain't right. Okay, I'm not arguing with you though, but obviously we both was there. I'm saying that from my point of view and your point of view though, what didn't match up?
What matches up is he told you to put your hands behind your back. And you did not. You ain't comply at all.
I didn't. Come on, I didn't try to comply with you. When you first,
You pulled away.
grab me again, grab my wrist. When you first asked, you grabbed my wrist.
And then you tensed up, and then you started
And
pulling
I
away.
said, why? I said, why,
Put your
Mr.
hands behind
Boyd?
your back.
And you just kept
We're not
repeating
going to
that,
debate
right?
over there. I'm giving you a lawful order. You got to follow it. So this is where we're at. Like my sergeant said, we don't debate this right here. That is what court system for. You're being charged with it. You're not being convicted of it.
Ain't with no way around this.
Come on, man. Get in, man.
I'm just asking, okay? Can I sit down and ask a question?
You can sit down. Trust me, we finna be in there too.
I'm just, you ain't gonna talk to me, bro, just for a little bit.
No, we finna be in there.
All suspects are in.
The subject, identified as Herring, age 25, entered a written plea of guilty to both counts. He was sentenced to 2 days in county jail, ordered to pay court costs, and trespassed from Walmart property for 2 years. The officers earn a B+, textbook retail, theft interception, proportional force, and professional post-force conduct. The subject earns a D, a deliberate scheme compounded by self-inflicted resistance. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching.